When reality feels negotiable, when any image can be doubted, when truth becomes just another opinion, the people who suffer most are the ones who most aim to be seen. The ones whose suffering, whose resilience, whose dignity depends on a witness. And this is why I believe photojournalism is not just a profession. It is right now one of the most important acts of civic resistance in the world. Not because photographs are objective, they're not, and they were never meant to be, but because they are truthful, and that distinction matters enormously. Objectivity is a posture, truthfulness is a commitment.